Luke is a green narrow gauge engine who works at the Blue Mountain Quarry. Bertram had recently gone home from his long day at the Scarlowoo Railway. Night was falling. The light started to turn on. Sir Handel was still quite shocked after the massive runaway he had. Oh, I hope my blue paint isn't damaged. Oh. Diver and Fireman looked all over. Don't worry, he said. Your paintwork's fine. Oh, goody. I don't think the thing you should be worried about the most is your paintwork. Don't end up like Rheneas. Oh, I won't. I'm gonna be a really useful engine. That's what I like to hear. Now let's get this cleaned up. On it! Soon after the truck back where it was supposed to be. The Handel was glad it received the damage, but still a bit cautious after what happened. So he made sure to express this. Scholarly, I don't feel like very comfortable taking that train after what happened. Well, that is understandable. You would be a bit anxious. The trucks will probably target you again. Now, wouldn't they? Yes. So I don't think it's a good idea for you to do it alone. Freddy then seemed hyped in. Well, we do have another load of trucks that needs to be taken. We can easily transfer them to some of my trucks. Although I don't think I'll be able to pull them around. I'll help you if you want. Ooh. Well, yes, I'll help you too. So the two set off to help Freddy. The Handel was glad to have friends to help him in this job. And all three of them were coupled to the tracks. See you later, you three. Take care and stay safe. We will, they all said. And soon, all of the engines set off. Freddy needed a rest. He stopped on the bridge. Sir Handel was struggling to keep the train in place. He felt very loose. Sir Handel, you have a little rest there, he said. Okay, I think I need it after all those accidents, said Sir Handel. Meanwhile, Thumper was working in the incline. It was a job. Cool dude. Bertram had noticed for him. He was a bit reckless when he came. Thumper was mining very hard. He just wanted to get the job over with. However, this was trouble. And when start a landslide! Oh boy. Oh no! Said Freddy. The landslide came and went, but it made the bridge unstable. Oh no! He said. The bridge soon started to collapse. Ah! Cried Freddy. It's okay! It's okay! Said Luke. More and more unstable. Luke was nearby. You've changed. Oh boy, I hope they're alright. I mean, I hope my paintwork doesn't get ruined by this landside thing. Luke pulled his hardest. And with one last effort, he pulled Freddy to safety. Just tell it. Oh, don't forget about me. Everyone made sure Freddy was okay. Scarlowy was concerned. Oh, that didn't cause too much damage. And Thumper, you should have been more careful. Sorry, man, I'll learn for next time. Anyway, back to work. He never learns. But Luke, I just want to say thank you. I admire how brave you were there. It was very brave. Brave indeed. Reminds me of when I rescued Falcon from falling off the cliff. Grandpa. I'm sure I had a part to play in that. Didn't I reverse as well, which helped me get back on the rails? Oh, you too. Oh, Duke was the one who saved the day. Okay. You were amazing, Grandpa, back then. And you were amazing now, Luke. Yeah, you really were. Thank you. Thank you so much. You are a really useful